Welcome to our quick guide on reporting a story on Facebook. Updated to reflect the latest steps. If you've ever encountered inappropriate content or harassment in a story, this is a straightforward process to flag it so the platform can review and take action. Start by opening the Facebook app on your device. Make sure you're logged into the account you use regularly and head to your feed where stories appear at the top. The stories bar is right above your normal feed, so you'll see a row of circular profile pictures representing the people who've posted stories. Next, scroll through the stories until you find the one you want to address. When you locate the specific story that concerns you, tap on the person's story to open it. This expands the momentary post and shows you the content in full screen view. Look for the three dots that accompany the story. These dots are typically found in the corner of the screen while you're viewing the story. Tap those three dots to reveal a small menu of actions you can take related to the story. From the menu, choose the option that says Report Story. You'll be presented with a few reasons to specify why you're reporting. Select the category that best fits the issue, such as harassment, hate speech, misinformation, or something else that describes the problem. After you've chosen a reason, confirm your action. Facebook will ask you to verify that you want to report the story. Confirm your choice and the report will be submitted to the platform for review. It's important to note that reporting is a moderation tool meant to keep the community safe. You're not required to explain every detail in depth, but providing a brief and accurate reason helps the review team understand the context. If you're uncomfortable with a person's content continuing to appear, you can also manage your viewing experience by muting or unfollowing, though those steps are separate from reporting. If you ever feel overwhelmed by content you encounter, take advantage of Facebook's built-in controls. You can adjust who can see your stories, limit interactions, and use privacy settings to tailor your experience. Regularly reviewing these settings can reduce exposure to unwanted material and maintain a safer online environment. That's the update on reporting a story on Facebook. If you found this walkthrough helpful, consider liking and subscribing for more practical, up-to-date social media tips.